Well, I just had the additional straps put on by my wife. She had some sew-on Velcro straps, which were perfect for the job, and it does make the front just a little bit more narrow. It's not going to be perfect. There is still a bit of give on this side, but it's closer. I think I can feel the saddle right underneath, so that looks a little bit better. Should feel a little bit better underneath or between my knees, because I grip my tank here when I'm riding, and so that's important to me. So let me show you what it looks like on the underside. Here's the underside of the seat, and this is the new strap that my wife put on. Stitched. It's a nice box stitch right there. I don't know if box stitch is the right term, but she did a wonderful job. And you've got to kind of clear this area here, because this is where the retainer goes for the seat. But as long as you line it up over this, you're good. And that pulls in a bit, you know, on this side here, makes it fit a little bit better. Whoops, fit a little bit better. And I was thinking that I'd also ask her to put another strap over here, you know, but then you've got to worry about this thing here. So just another strap over here. But I'll see how that works. Right now I can pull this over with my hands a bit and get it a little bit more snug. But if that shifts to one side or the other, I'm going to just put another strap. But there you go. This is all it needs from a design standpoint to snug that front part in a bit more and to make it fit a little bit better to the seat. But other than that, I mean, it's great product. I like it.